In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contact list in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in to your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're on your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Contacts section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. Just click on it, and you'll see your contacts listed there. Now, if you want to export all of your contacts, you're in the right place. However, if you're looking to export a specific group or segment of contacts, you may want to use the search feature first. This is helpful if you have a lengthy list and want to narrow it down to just the contacts you need. Just type in the filter criteria you're interested in, and the list will update accordingly. Once you have your desired contacts displayed, look for the Export button. This is usually located at the top of the contacts list to the right of the search bar. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll see options like Export All Contacts or Export as CSV. If you want all your contacts in one go, you can select the first option. Now, if your goal is to download the contacts in a CSV format, you'll want to click on Export as CSV. This format is popular because it's compatible with many different applications, which makes it easy to share and import into other tools if needed. After you click on the Export as CSV option, you might see a prompt asking what kind of information you'd like to include. You can choose options for which fields to include, like names, email addresses, or any custom fields you've created. Make the selections according to your needs, and when you're ready, look for the button that confirms your export request. Once you've clicked on the confirmation button, the export process should start running. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may take a moment. Don't worry, just hang tight and keep an eye on your notifications in case there's an update about the process. When the export is done, you'll likely receive a notification that includes a download link for your CSV file. Click on that link, and your file should download directly to your computer. If it doesn't appear right away, check your browser's download folder or any specified location based on your settings. Keep in mind, organizing this exported file can also be useful. Once you've downloaded it, consider heading to Excel or Google Sheets. There you can sort, filter, and manipulate the data as needed, making it easier to analyze your contact lists or prepare for any upcoming campaigns. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contact list from ActiveCampaign. This skill can be extremely useful when you need to manage your contacts effectively, whether for segmentation, analysis, or simply keeping your records up to date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, do consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!